Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can apply scroll with React 3 Fiber and ThreeJS. So let's get started. So first I'll show you guys the output. So here you can see I have this. Now if I try to scroll, this particular text hovers over and we get this particular kind of an animation. So this is a 3D model, and if I try to scroll, it moves the rotation and the upper part moves as well. So here you can see if I try to move it, the upper part moves as well along with it. So yeah, this is what the scroll effect is looking like. So let's see how to achieve this. So first you just need to I have created a React application using Vite, but you can use any React web framework, whichever you feel like. Then inside package.json I have added React 3 Dre as well as React 3 Fiber and ThreeJS dependency as well, and inside dev dependency I have added type/3. If you want, you can install this Java dependency, but this is not mandatory. Then inside public I have added few GLTF models. So this damage, helmet, fox, and as well as lantern, you can use whatever you feel like. Then inside quickly show you the particular CSS. So this is the CSS which I am using, so feel free to pause the video and just copy all this CSS. Then inside app.tsx, firstly I have added all these imports. Okay, then here I have created these two items, one for lantern and one for our damage helmet. You don't need to create the item for fox. Okay, then here you can see I have made the scroll controls as pages equal to 5, but you can change this value to whatever you feel like. Then we have the experience component. Here we have the interface. The interface is basically this text thing which you see, which we were scrolling, and you have to add this HTML tag to it because this interface is normal HTML, nothing related with ThreeJS. Then inside experience, if you see here, we are taking the fox.gltf. We use the use scroll hook, and depending on the frame we are changing the camera position. All right, and here I have taken one orbital controls, one environment. Here is our text 3D as well, and here is our another text 3D, and this is the primitive for displaying the fox gltf. And here we have added another scroll for items. So these are basically for the gltf models which you see for damage, helmet, as well as lantern. So here you can see inside item props, again we are using use gltf hook. Here is our use 3 to get the viewport. Here is our use scroll, and here we take hold of our reference. So on every frame we are changing the scroll position, the position of our ref. And here you can see we have assigned the ref to this particular group, and inside that we are just loading this gltf model. And if you finally see the interface over here, again we are just changing the scroll position over here as well as the opacity. And here you can see we are just using normal HTML, nothing else, no ThreeJS elements involved over here. So yeah, that's how you can use or achieve scroll effect in React 3 Fiber with ThreeJS. Thank you for watching. Bye.